Jupiter, the king of the solar system. Towering as the largest planet, Jupiter is more than 1,300 times the size of Earth. Over 4.5 billion years ago, as gas and dust rolled through space, gravity shaped the giant planet we now call Jupiter. Composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, just like a star, Jupiter is thought to be one of the first planets to form, sucking in material left over from the birth of the Sun. This colossal gas giant may have even stopped other planets from growing larger by devouring massive chunks of material during its formation. But Jupiter is more than just a massive ball of gas. Hidden beneath its clouds is a mystery core that scientists are still trying to understand. Its atmosphere, with its endless storm and the legendary Great Red Spot, holds secrets of the universe's early days. And let's not forget the mind-blowing magnetic field 14 times stronger than Earth's that could fry a spacecraft with intense radiation. But that's not all. This gas giant is a swirling, stormy monster of immense power with winds reaching over 300 miles per hour. With 79 moons, which include some of the most intriguing worlds, like volcanic Io and the icy Europa, which might hide an ocean beneath its frozen surface. Jupiter is a planet of extremes, mystery, and raw power. Jupiter is not just a planet, it's a mini solar system waiting to be explored. But what would happen if
this gas giant collided with Earth? Well, prepare yourself for another trip, because we are going to Merciless. So fasten your seatbelts and take care of yourself until we arrive.
2, 1, and booster mission liftoff. Space Shuttle Discovery, taking the space station to full power for full science.
As you can see, this is our solar system and all the planets are revolving around the Sun in their orbits. Now, let's find the Jupiter. Here, you can see all the information about the Jupiter, from the temperature of this planet to the speed of its rotation around the Sun. The rotation speed is 13.5 km per second and the temperature is minus 164 degrees Celsius. Now, let's add the Earth and Jupiter to a start. Place Jupiter at this distance from the Earth and threw it towards the Earth. Now it's time for Merciless. The Earth was destroyed and nothing remained of it.
Our journey has been ended here, but like the previous video, guess the 5-digit code and send me the correct answer. The money is waiting for you. Okay, in the end, let's see the correct code of the previous video.